What is CERN and why is it closed down? You've probably seen headlines or social media posts claiming that CERN has shut down. Some even suggest mysterious reasons involving secret experiments or dangerous discoveries. But what's the real story? In this video, we'll explain what CERN actually is, why people think it's closed, and whether there's any truth behind those claims. CERN stands for the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Located on the border between Switzerland and France, it's one of the world's largest scientific research centers. Its main purpose is to study the smallest building blocks of matter and understand how the universe works. Scientists from over 100 countries collaborate at CERN, using advanced technology to answer some of humanity's biggest questions. Its most famous machine is the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. This massive circular tunnel stretches for about 27 kilometers underground. Inside it, particles are accelerated to nearly the speed of light before colliding. By studying these collisions, scientists learn about the fundamental laws of physics. CERN has contributed to several groundbreaking discoveries. In 2012, researchers announced evidence for the Higgs boson, sometimes nicknamed the God particle. This discovery confirmed an important part of the standard model of particle physics and earned the 2013 Nobel Prize in Physics. Another surprising contribution from CERN wasn't about physics at all. The World Wide Web was invented at CERN in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee as a way for scientists to share information more easily. Today, billions of people benefit from that invention. So why do people keep saying CERN has closed down? The answer is much less dramatic than many online rumors suggest. The Large Hadron Collider regularly shuts down for scheduled maintenance, safety inspections, upgrades, and the installation of new equipment. These planned shutdowns can last for months or even several years. For example, CERN completed a major upgrade known as Long Shutdown 2 between 2018 and 2022. During this period, many people mistakenly believed the collider had permanently closed. In reality, engineers were improving the accelerator so it could operate at even higher performance. Temporary shutdowns are completely normal for a machine as complex as the Large Hadron Collider. Over the years, CERN has become the subject of countless conspiracy theories. Some people claim it's creating black holes that could destroy Earth. Others suggest it's opening portals to other dimensions or conducting secret experiments hidden from the public. These ideas often spread rapidly on social media. However, there is no credible scientific evidence supporting these claims. Before the Large Hadron Collider ever began operating, independent scientific reviews carefully evaluated its safety. Scientists explained that the tiny black holes predicted by some theories, if they could even be created, would disappear almost instantly and pose no danger. The particle collisions produced at CERN are actually less energetic than many natural cosmic ray collisions that have been occurring in Earth's atmosphere for billions of years. If these collisions were dangerous, our planet would never have survived. So is CERN closed? No, CERN continues to operate. Like any large scientific facility, individual experiments or the Large Hadron Collider itself may occasionally pause for maintenance or upgrades. But the organization remains active, with thousands of scientists conducting research every year. The goal remains the same: expanding our understanding of the universe. So what is CERN, and why is it closed down? The answer is simple. CERN is one of the world's leading scientific research organizations, and it has not permanently closed. What people often mistake as a shutdown is simply scheduled maintenance, upgrades, or temporary pauses between research runs. Understanding the facts helps separate science from sensational headlines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what scientific mystery you'd like us to explain next.